Welcome to GTV. Today I will be demonstrating the proper method for testing a three-phase AC motor using a megometer. This practice is commonly referred to as megging a motor and is used to evaluate the condition of an electric motor. A megometer uses high voltage to detect the breakdown of insulation within the internal windings of the motor. Before we begin, it is critical that the motor be isolated from any source of power by disconnecting the supply wires from the motor leads. Now is also a good time to locate a suitable connection point on the grounded motor housing. It may be necessary to remove oil or paint from an area to create a reliable connection. For this demonstration, I will be using an Amprobe AMB25 megometer. Before using test equipment, it is always important to read the operation manual to know the appropriate precautions needed when using a megometer. This device will produce an electrical charge at the test leads, and safety guidelines must be followed as specified in your device's manual. I will also touch the two leads together and turn the dial to one of the voltage settings and press the test button. I should get a short with a reading of 0 and the voltage dropped to a small amount as shown on the screen. This shows that the megometer is in working condition. To conduct the test, I will connect one megometer test lead to the motor's grounded housing. I will use the other test lead to connect the motor's leads. Once the connections have been made, I will select the desired test voltage using the selector switch and press the test button. I could get a very high value or an OL. I can then record the measurement and repeat the test with the two remaining motor leads. Generally, a low resistance reading indicates that the insulation has been compromised and a current path to ground exists. In this case, the motor should be serviced by a qualified repair facility. A desirable measurement will read a higher megohm value or an OL and will be symmetrical between all motor leads. Megometers and test equipment along with thousands of other products and services are available at gelco.com.